Hi boys and girls, Matt from the Real Toy Shop. Come and have a look at this beauty. So what we've got here, BMW S1000 XR Sport SE. Just before we get firing off with all the details and everything, thanks to all of you who subscribed. Anyone who fancies subscribing, that will be much appreciated, and you get to see more of the bikes as we list them. So thank you very much, all those who have. Let's crack on. So, as you can see, 68 plate, that puts it between September 2018 and March 2019. All the details, obviously, in the ad with all the specifics. But as we look around the bike, this one came from an elderly gent. And if you have a look at it, extremely well cared for bike. These are an absolute hoot of a thing to ride. S1000 motor in it, like down-tuned a bit, but still goes like the clappers. And comfy, upright, good sized bike for touring on. It's got the bobbins and the racks and stuff for luggage, if you want to put luggage on. If you just want to hoon about, it's set up for that perfectly. You've got the rad guards in there. Bit of a godsend on one of these. They're quite expensive radiators in there, so keep them protected. Tyre's good, as you've seen, that's second tyre. The 4-cylinder. It's an inline 4, but it's transverse across the bike. And they just go like, yeah, well, we mentioned that already. Being the Sport SE, you've got plenty of good stuff on there to play. And plenty of knobs and switches and things like that, cruise controls and heated grips and etc. Look at the condition of the bike, which I know that's what the main reason of this video is to get the condition across to you and hear the bike running. We'll get to that in a minute if you can stick around, and show you some of the features and of course the mileage as well. So that's your view coming up from the cockpit as you're flying this machine. You'll see we've got the ESA, we've got heated grips, we've got cruise control, switch there for your automatic lights, your heated grips, the rider modes as well. You can change the rider modes on this. So as you can see, there's plenty stuff to play with. And down there you'll see, if you can, that's the quick shifter, so you've got quick shifter as well. There'll be a shock and stuff in there, see the condition of that. Get the shadows off it, there you go, that's better. Chain and sprockets, all good, you can see, look in there. Got the rear hugger, which keeps a lot of the detritus from going all over the inside of your back shock and everything. So yeah, a nice looking bike, isn't it? I'd certainly want to ride this down to Spain or Italy or something, or the Black Mountains in Germany, and you could have an absolute hoot on it. So what can we do for you on this bike? Well, if you've got a part exchange, we do have a part exchange form on the website, therealtoyshop.com. Have a look. Takes you 2 minutes to fill it out. There you go, look. And then I've got all the details I need then. Whilst we're looking at that number, that's the number if you want to talk to us about some monthly payments or finance, etc. Give us a tinkle on that. We'll talk you through and see if we can get you set up. Dead easy. Dead easy. Look at that face. Good looking bike, isn't it? Also on the Sport SE as well, you've got the Garmin stroke BMW Motorrad sat-nav holder. You can put the Garmin's in there, or all the BMW Motorrad ones. All hardwired in, and then you can control it from your scroll wheel, we call that, which moves around. And then to enter on one of these, not dead easy to work out, but push it like that and then back. So you can see you've got your trip computer and all that there as well. Right then, so we've got rid of the Part X and the finance bit. We'll come down to delivery next. Matt, can you deliver the bike? Of course we can. Here at the Real Toy Shop, we've always delivered for absolutely nothing. It's what we do. Get on the website, you'll see how it all works. Time frames, all that good stuff, it's all on there. But we'll deliver this for no. If me in my van, or our dedicated motorcycle courier, if you see the Real Toy Shop van going about, give us a toot. Either I think, crikey, have I just got in your way, or I'll suddenly remember and smile a bit. Purpose-built, big van, fetching that. That doesn't mean you can't come and look at it. We love you to come and look at bikes. It just means that if you want to come on a wet, rainy day, or you don't want to travel, whatever, you know, it's up to you. But if you want to come on a rainy day in the car, go home and have us deliver it another day, dead simple. It's what we do. So that's that bit. Right then. Just as I come round the left-hand side for the millionth time. We have a look. Let's get to making a noise time. Can you make a noise? Yes, please, Matt, make a noise. Well, before we do that, we all know. Ask your missus first. Your mother, your brother, your dad, your lover, what's all that about? Well, if you need permission, get it asked first. We'll spend all day with you on the phone, we don't mind. But I'm off to ask me missus first bit. God, blimey. Anyway, that's that out the way. Let's make a noise. Let's talk about the mileage and make some noise and some of these switches. So, here we go. 43 miles to the gallon. That's not bad, is it? We've got a full tank of fuel, and I promise I'll take none out. There you go. There's your flashing ABS and traction. That goes out 5 miles an hour when you've completed some revolutions of the wheel. And there's your dash. Pretty straightforward, eh? And there she goes. Took the liberty of warming it up a little. You can see there, look, the lights are in automatic mode. That switch there. So we took the liberty of warming it up because I know you get all excited, some of you guys on Tinterweb. Doesn't that sound well? That sounds like you're going to have a lot of fun playing with that. Awful lot of fun. Just nothing stupid, nothing like that, but just you can hear the actual sound of the engine. These microphones make things sound a bit dwarfing, but these BMW inline fours, they do have that sound to them. That's how they are. Phone will exaggerate it no end, but so there you go, look, no funny anything going on there. Just lovely. So, that's it. That's your S1000 XR Sport SE waiting here for you to want to put it in your shed. And if you do, how's it work? Well, number one, give us a call or fill that part exchange form in first. Yeah, that's the way we do it. Number one, fill the part X form in. Number two, if you need it. Number two, speak to Lisa or Scott in the office. If you want some finance, we can sort that out. And number three, let's get it paid for, get it in a van and get it to as quick as we can. That's how we like to keep it, nice and stress-free. I'm going to sign out now and go on and do another one. Thanks for watching, as always. And if you got this far, my Lord, you must be bored. Speak soon. Ask your missus first.